Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you the conditional formatting tutorial or the topic part 1 in which we are covering highlight cell rules. So in the conditional formatting there are many topics in which out of which today I'm going to covering highlight cell rules. So first let me explain what is conditional formatting. So actually all the conditional formatting rules are based on a simple if-then logic. That means if X criteria is true, then Y formatting will be applied. So deeply to understand and show you, I'm taking one example to show you. I have already applied the conditional formatting in this data range. Here we have an example of one primary school result summary, in which some of the students have scored some of the marks out of 100, in which I have applied the conditional formatting. Similarly, you can see here one company data in which what is the performance of the company related to the turnover. So either it is a good, bad or what. So according to what is the performance, based on it will automatically highlight here, the formatting will be applied automatically. If it is a good, then it will be green. If it is a bad, then that means it is a red. Similarly, to visually identify the conditional formatting is basically we are applying or we are using so that easily it will be identified what is the good, bad or something like that. Here you can see the pass student is the green and the full fail student is the red highlighted cells. So to deeply understand what exactly the conditional formatting and what are the highlight cell rules in which are the criteria we need to apply as a formatting. So let's start practice. It's me Hiren Shukla, your Excel friend, and welcome to my YouTube channel Hiren Excel Friend. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press bell icon to get an update for my new videos. So friend, you can see here an example of the summary result. I have already applied some conditional criteria and based on the formatting has been applied. So let me show you some of the things. Like you can see the 100, whomsoever has achieved the 100 marks, that is bold and with the dark green, cell is highlighted with the dark green. Similarly, for the student who have achieved the greater than 85 marks are with the green highlighted cells, and the yellow one is between the 60 to 80 marks, you can see, and the red one, this one, actually that are below 35 and failed. So that way similarly I have applied, and here you can see the pass and fail. So pass is green and the red one are fail. So how to apply this? So we will start with the fresh file and practicing file so that it will be easier for you. So let me clear first of all conditional formatting to be clear out on this entire cell. And I have also mentioned the steps what we need to perform so that it will be condition will be applied, and whatever I am practicing here right now with you. So these are the steps so that you can also practicing, and you can download the free Excel file from the description link is given in the description box. So let me start. So first of all, to apply the conditional formatting, we need to select the data range. So here this one is the C3 to H11 is my data range where the student has obtained some marks. So you can select by mouse or maybe the manually with the keyboard with the shift and selecting the right arrow, and then you need to go to the home tab in the conditional formatting and the highlight cell rules. So I'm starting with the greater than. So my condition I would like to apply is if any student is greater than 85 marks is achieved. Here you can see some of the already by default some conditions are already given. You can also apply this one, as well as you can make your own custom formatting. So I'm making custom formatting here. So you can apply font, border, if you would like to bold, italic, regular maybe. So for the 85 I'm selecting the green one. It will be filled with the green and press OK. So you can see all the marks which are greater than 85 numbers that are highlighted with the green one. Similarly, the my data range is same, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and second one, it is less than. So if any marks which are less than 35 should be red one. So let me custom it and the red one. Press OK and OK. So you can see once again, let me select, and then once again conditional formatting, go to between. Now I would like to apply 60 to range 60 to 80. These are a little bit goods, so I'm applying fill with yellow one. Okay, and then what we need to do next is 100. So highlight cell rules equal to, if it is equal to 100, then something different I would like to. So fill will be dark green, and I would like to bold. The font will be bold. Okay, and apply. So you can see here I have already applied here the conditional formatting. So let me first clear it from these cells. Now I'm going to highlight cell rules and then text content. So whatever the text is available in the cell, same I have to mention. If it is in capital, then I have to follow the same thing so that it will be applied. So for the parts, I'm creating custom and the fill will be green, and OK, I'm pressing OK. Once again same, my data is same, highlight cell rules, text that contains fails or only fail, custom format, and then it should be red one. OK and OK. So you can see, so this way you can apply the data. If you will change the data, like here if I will select 34, then it will automatically red, and also the result is fail, and that's why it is red, filled with the red one. In the sales data you can make practicing. I have already given the steps, so you can download the free Excel file and you can practicing it with the sales data, and also with this file also. So I hope you like and enjoy the video. If you like and feel this video is really helpful, keep me motivated by like, share, comment and subscribe. Keep watching, keep learning, and stay connected with me for more videos and learning. Be happy and make your family happy. Thank you.